5 multiplied by 5 is 2 multiplied by 5 is equals to 2 divide 2 multiplied by 5.
Honorable member, what are you talking about?
If 2 multiplied by 5 is 10.
Yeah, what's happening?
And also 2 divided by 20 is 10. We only know that 2 multiplied by 5 is equals to 2 divided by 10 because they both result into 10.
Hey. He's not make sure.
The common denominator here is 10.
1,763,000,000.
769,820 and 70.
43 minus 22 would be 11 years.
Ngiyabonga guys ngo-33,000.
Well, uthini lengane pan?
Uthini wena?
33,000 followers.
Hey.
That disturbed.
Yakhumbula isimo sami 2019 November 2002.
$160 billion.
Wait, man. Fucking idiot.
1,400 and 4,000 and 4,000.
Bese bethi expropriation of land without compensation. Ngemethe kanje.
Hey laba.
Cabanga ke sekuthiwa wena uveza ama marks wakho wemethe usuhleke kangaka.
Hawu kodwa bafo sikwenzeni?
Sintshela njalo ukuthi enjoy ama TikTok live wethu awe math ngo8 ngama Wednesdays and Fridays. Awuphinde enjoy ama TikTok live wethu awe math ngo8 ngama Wednesdays and Fridays.
Why? Tell me why.
Kuze ningabi nje.
No one here is safe.
Dango.